we want to expose a scam of rupees 300 crores by BJP government, where health minister is directly involved and the chief minister is indirectly involved. Now this BJP government has issued a tender on facilities management services in Goa Medical College in the month of January. एक जानेवारीक तेणी एक टेंडर इश्यू केलें की मेंटेनन्स टेंडर. मेंटेनन्स म्हळ्यार थंय फक्त लेबरर इन्वॉल्व आसतात, टेक्निकल मनीस थोडे इन्वॉल्व आसतात आनी तें बेजिकली करप्शन स्टार्ट जाता थंय. जेन्ना टेंडर प्रोसेस स्टार्ट जाता आनी तो टेंडर प्रोसेस स्टार्ट जातकर त्याचो एस्टिमेट केलो वचना. म्हणजे खंयचेय टेंडर रिलीज करचे पयलीं ताजो एक एस्टिमेट आसता, तो एक एस्टिमेट पयलीं तयार करतात आनी तो एस्टिमेट तयार जातकर बेजिकली एस्टिमेट रेडी जातकर तो टेंडर प्रोसेस करता. हांगा उलटा जाला. हेणी एक टेंडर इश्यू केला, तुमकां डॉक्युमेंट्स सगळे तुमचे जेर पावतले रोखडेच. बेजिकली टेंडर इज फॉर फॅसिलिटी मॅनेजमेंट सर्वीस फॉर प्लंबिंग, इलेक्ट्रिकल्स, गार्डनिंग एंड एलिट सर्वीस. हें सेम काम पयलीं GSIDC करताले, तेजे एक सब कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक ते लँड करताले आनी ते हें काम करताले 2 कोटींक, म्हणजे 2 crores काम ते वर्साक. आतां हें टेंडर करता आसतनाच हितून विश्वजीत राणे डायरेक्ट इन्वॉल्व जाता आनी एंटायर प्रोसेस ते मॅन्युप्युलेट करता. सर्टन कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर डिस्क्वॉलिफाय करपाचे प्रयत्न करतात. टेक्निकल बिड्स आसात त्यो कोण नासतना ते ओपन करतात आनी ते टेंडर अमावंट नाशिल्लो टेंडर काडून कोणाक तरी दितात. अँड वी फील दॅट इज अ प्रॉक्सी कंपनी फ्लोटेड बाय मिस्टर विश्वजीत राणे. हाजे पयलीं आमी मेडिसिनाचें 30 crore मेडिसीन कशें परचेज केल्याक इल्लिगली आनी 30 crore स्कॅम आमी एक्सपोज केल्ले. ह्या हेजेर फेब्रुवारीक लास्ट डेट आशिल्लो ह्या टेंडराचो ऑनलायन एप्लाय करपाचें आनी टॅक्निकल बीड टेंडर ही ओपन करपाची आशिल्लें 20 एका. त्या दिसाक ते टेंडर ओपन करनात. रिजन दिता ITचे ऑफिशल्स कोण येवना म्हणून आनी नेक्स्ट डे कोणाक सांगनासतना टॅक्निकल बीड आसा ते ओपन करतात, कोण नासतना ते बाकीचे हे सगळे रावन. एक म्हणजे हेजो एस्टिमेट केल्लो ना आनी हें काम ते अलॉट करतात फॉर रुपीज 11.35 crores. जें काम 2 crores करताले GSIDC. GSIDCचे पयशे दिवपाक हे बंद करतात. GSIDCक तें काम बंद करपाचे प्रवृत्त करतात आनी GSIDC डिक्लेअर करता की आमी आनी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीचें हें सर्वीस काम करना म्हणून, सर्विसिंगाचें, मेंटेनन्साचें, कित्याक पेमेंट करना म्हणून. आनीक तेजे नंतर ते टेंडर प्रोसेस सुरू जाता. त्या टेंडर प्रोसेसाक एक म्हणजे ताका टेक्निकल सॅंक्टिटी ना. देर इज नो technical approval, there is no administrative approval from the government of Goa for this tender, there is no financial provision, there is no budgetary provision, and taka financial concurrence na from the finance department. So how the health department can allow this tender to be floated at the first place? So first place, this tender itself is illegal, it's a fraud. Without these sanctions of the government, they have no right, the dean has no right to release this tender. Secondly, त्यांनी unrealistic pre-qualification एक condition घातला. आता condition किती म्हणटा? The bidder should submit a copy of labor license of 150 employees, single certificate for facility management and housekeeping service. आता हे ज्या कंपनी कडेन ऑलरेडी घेतलेले आसा तांकां क्वॉलिफाय करपाक आनी बाकी सगळ्यांक डिसक्वॉलिफाय करपाक हे क्लॉज घातलेलो आसा. ह्या क्लॉजा अर्थूच कांयच ना बेजिकली. दुसरो आनी एक पॉयंट जो आसा तो म्हणजे सडनली डेट ते चेंज करतात आनी कोण नासतना टेंडर ओपन करतात. लोवस्ट बिडर जो आशिल्लो ताका डिसक्वॉलिफाय करता. ह्या टेंडरांक जर लोवस्ट बिडींग केल्लें आसा ताका ते डिसक्वॉलिफाय करतात आनी हितूंकच आपयनात. RTI आमचे प्रोफेसर जो डिसोजा he has applied under RTI various documents and GMC has given us some answers where also they are caught completely red-handed, but certain information ते म्हणटा सिक्रेट्स. अरे तुमकां तेंगेले जे डिटेल्स आसा तुमी ते सिक्रेट्स कशें जावपाक शकता? सडन इन्फॉर्मेशन सिक्रेट्स हें जावपाकूच शकना आनी ते RTIचे जे सेक्शन ते लावन तेणी रिजेक्ट केल्लें आसा ती सेक्शन थंय लागपाकूच शकना. सो तें फक्त सिक्रेट इज फॉर द करप्शन. ह्या टेंडरा भितर ते घालतात की हे टेंडर इज फॉर 1 year द अमाउंट, बट इट इज फॉर 5 years. That means around 12 crores per year multiplied by 5 years. Again there is a provision that every year 5% increase. त्या टेंडराचो 5% increase जातलो. And this tender is extended by another 5 years. जर दिनाक जाय जाल्यार म्हणजे दॅट मीन्स दीस टेंडर इज नॉट फॉर 1 year, इट इज फॉर 10 years. बजेटरी प्रोविजन ना, फायनान्शियल सँक्शन्स ना, टेक्निकल सँक्शन्स ना, and then they are going away. Now this particular job was done by a very few, around 30 to 35 employees, and now he's in that tender they are putting that there should be 156 employees थंय आसपाक जाय म्हणून ते कंडिशन घालतात. मीन्स 156 लेबराचो एस्टिमेट. नाव एनीबडी वील टेल मी फॉर 156 लेबर्स your estimate cannot be 12 crores as they have already allotted this tender. The actual amount, tender amount they have given is 11 crores 35 lakhs 13,640. For how many laborers? 156 laborers. As per the tender document, all the material will be supplied by GMC. So जो contract ताका दिला ताका कांयच परचेज करपाचें आनी कांयच ना. तेगेलें फक्त लेबरान काम करपाचें आनी तें काम करपाक कितलें? 11 crores 35 lakhs 13,640. And this is just for 1 year. And the contract tender duration is 5 years. Every year 5% increase. And they can do anything. They can purchase whatever they want and they have to submit a bill and their amount will be reimbursed. There is no check, nobody is going to check. First of all, who has prepared this estimate of 11 crores? How, without mentioning the amount of this estimate, how you can float the tender at the first place? So this is major fraud by this health minister in connivance with the chief minister of Goa. When we are having the financial problem of the state, where our total liabilities is touching 26,000 crores, where every month we are drawing 100 crores rupees by selling the bonds to pay the salaries, the government, on the contrary, should have saved the money. This is a completely fraud to indulge in corruption of 300 crores. And they are not restricted to this area. Actually, officially त्यांनी सांगता आसतना हे GMC आनीक 3 units दिल्ली, but then they are extending this contract to Azilo Hospital, North Goa District Hospital, South Goa Auspicio Hospital, then South Goa District Hospital. So this entire process of the fraud is estimated to around rupees 300 crores. And without following any procedure. So we want to ask the Chief Minister, you clarify on this within 3 days. जर चीफ मिनिस्टर ह्या हेजेर आपलो स्टँड क्लियर करना, then it is assumed that the chief minister is partner along with the health minister for this fraud of 300 crores of the taxpayers' money. So we demand with this government that this tender should be scrapped. The fresh estimates must be prepared. An entire tender process should be refloated by preparing the proper estimates. All we have forwarded to you in the name of the allied services. The government is just trying to loot the taxpayers' money. So Goa Pradesh Congress Committee strongly condemn the attitude of the government when the Goa government is going through financial crisis. They are indulging in such a corruption. Okay. So if you have any questions related to this, 300 crores. ह्या हेजे प्रोसेसर 150 जातले आनी जे उरलेली हें आसा तेजे that is the I can say it is an attempt to corruption. The what Parikar was using in case of Mavin.
Not corruption.
No, it is corruption. 150 rupees is almost corruption. That's another 150 rupees is in the pipeline. So 150 crores is in the pipeline. So total amount comes to 300 crores. So Chief Minister of Goa, who is admitting that we are into a financial crisis, there is a financial emergency in the state, and when your minister is making a fraud and a scam of 300 crores, the Chief Minister of Goa is answerable to the people of Goa. He has to come out clear on this. No hanky-panky here. The Chief Minister has to reply within 3 days. Jar Chief Minister reply karna, जाल्यार हेजो अर्थ Chief Minister is the partner in this scam. They want to extend this facility management services to District Hospital Mapsa, Azilo Hospital Mapsa, Community Health Center Valpoi, Community Health Center Sakri, and Community Health Center Chiklim. So one can understand. And they have manipulated to keep out certain. So they have made a ring. They have made a ring means you keep out certain contractors, the lowest bidder. All the documents I'm sending to you. Actually, this job was done by just 30 laborers by the existing contractor, which was supplied by the JSIDC. We can produce this. And RTI reply is very much clear. That there is clear hanky-panky. So this is open and shut case of corruption. There is no doubt, there is no need of any investigation. It's open and shut case of corruption. Open documents clears. The entire thing is manipulated to keep out certain contract. Actually, government intention is lowest bidder and technical is you are not going to construct a bridge where that technically it is just a maintenance service. Anybody can do, and you are putting a precondition that 150 laborer certificate just to keep out certain things. Yeah. So this is completely fraud. Complete fraud. Yes. Any questions? See, already we will declare it after 3 days. We will give Chief Minister 3 days time to come clear on this 300 rupees scam. We will declare after 3 days what we are going to do. But let Chief Minister come clear on this. If Chief Minister is not coming, Chief Minister is a partner in this. Yes. Any?
साडी शॉपिंग करपाक आता बेळगांव वचपाची गरज ना. पणजीतल्या बॉम्बे बाजारांत तुमकां दर्जेदार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो खरेदी करपाक मेळटा. नवीन व्हंकलेक नववारी असो किंवा उत्तर भारतीय लेहंगा, सिल्क साडी किंवा कॉटन साडी, तुमची पसंत आणि आमचे कलेक्शन. साडी स्वतः खातीर खरेदी करा किंवा गिफ्ट करा. बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जेल रोड, पणजी.